Alright, let's go across.
Oh, stop.
Come on, there's a car. Quit playing.
Wrap that leash around me.
Yeah.
You did it again. We're smelling those flowers.
Yeah.
You pee-peed in them.
Yeah. Alright. I'll hold on. Hey, come back down, guys. Come on back down. How? I am. Bonnie, are you holding the leash?
Yeah.
You're doing so good.
Whoa. Oh, that's too big for me.
What? You ready to go? You ready to walk some more?
No, he keeps on coughing like Daddy. He's like getting something out of his throat. He copies after Daddy.
Yeah, Daddy does that. Come on.
It's funny that the buggy does that. They're getting ready for Christmas.
Yeah, they're getting ready for Christmas, all right. Watch out. There's a car. Mhm.
Mama, we need to get his leash out
going
again.
up in his crotch.
Mama,
It's going where?
Up in his crotch.
Mama, we need to fix his leash.
Well, fix it.
I can't pick him up. See, he won't let me.
It fixed.
Whoa.
Whoa.
He knew how to fix it.
Oh,
And
gracious.
it went back again.
Let's go.
Well, there's some tacky Christmas decorations, guys.
Let's go.
My God. All right, which way? Let's go this way. I like this street. Hey, there's Kirk. Hey, Kirk can be in our movie. That'll be funny.
Let's already take a video of him.
He won't know. He won't know. He'll never know. Okay, let's just pretend. Okay. We'll be sneaky.
Here, let me take the video.
All right, hold it steady. Hey, Kirk.
He came on my house last night.
He came again.
Yes. Hey, buddy, buddy.
He's a happy puppy.
Hey, buddy. You remember me? You remember me? What happened?
We keep having to fix his leash.
Here,
Oh,
get him,
yeah.
Bonnie. Oh, don't let him go to the restaurant.
Yeah.
Hi. Hold him tight, because there's a person. And he might trip that man. That'd be awful. Hold him tight.
No.
No puppy. It's a puppy.
How's it? Oh, did you eat lunch here with Elaine? Yeah, is she in there?
Yes.
Well, I might go say hello.
Okay, thanks.
Is it baby? No, he's still a baby.
It looks like a chihuahua.
It's the Chihuahua Terrier. And something else. Alright, let's go, Joe and Mo. Don't let him go to the restaurant. Come on, he can't go in there. That's against the rules.
Says no dogs allowed.
No dogs allowed.
And that says no dogs allowed.
Get some video of the old Bergens building that burned down. It's pretty cool. Look both ways. Oh, let's go this way. Oh, get over here. Get over here with the dog.
Mama, look at the glass.
Yeah. Oh, that's really pretty. Look at the back all the way through. Can you see it?
Yeah. It's almost like it's a mirror.
Yeah. Hey. How are you? Good.
Mama, now you have to take I wish you could zoom in on this.
Here, we'll walk over
What
here.
he did.
Hold on, there's cars.
No, puppy.
Come on.
There's glass covering that. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. I like
Bon, wait on Mama.
how it's sort of a slide down there.
Yeah, Bon, wait on Mom.
Mom, there's a piece of paper.
Yeah. Don't lean on that. It's broken.
I wonder how that piece of paper The heat made the glass get so hot
It
started
busted, I
cracking.
think.
No, puppy. That's for now. Look at that sign.
Yeah. Don't breathe it in. All right, come on.
This is what we did the first time. How can I not? Whoa.
I got it. I figured it out. Look at Caleb and the puppy.
He looked me in the face.
He looked you in the face. What part of your face? Oh, gracious, have mercy. Whee! There's some ladies. The ladies, yeah. Did you have fun?